Hi everyone, my name is Dipanshu Jindal, the team leader and full stack developer of this project, which is ExoScan AI. And this project starts with a simple but powerful question, that is, can we make exoplanet detection smarter, faster, and accessible to everyone using artificial intelligence and machine learning? Now you can see this image here. Detecting exoplanet usually takes hours of manual analysis and scanning thousands of light curve graphs for tiny dips in brightness. And now we want to change this process using artificial intelligence and machine learning. That's why we built ExoScan AI, an intelligent tool that automates this process using real light curve data of NASA. Now I will hand it over to Bhumika to take things forward.
Hi, I'm Bhumika and I worked as a data and AI specialist for ExoScan AI. As our team leader Dipanshu just shared, he leads the full stack development and strategic direction for this project, bringing both vision and execution together. My role focused on integrating real NASA data sheets and ensuring seamless back-end communication with our AI models. We are Team Exogenius, proudly representing India at NASA Space App Challenge 2025. Our project is called Exoscan.ai, an intelligent application that detects exoplanet using NASA light curve data. We are a team of passionate innovators. Dipanshu Jindal as our team leader and full stack developer, Yash Bhardwaj, researcher and testing, Muskan, researcher, Dipanshu Rajput, supporting member, Vineet, our video editor, and I am Bhumika, handling data and API integration. And together we have built a solution that blends space, science and artificial intelligence with clarity, speed and impact.
Hello, I am Yash Bhardwaj and I am a researcher of the project Exogenius AI. My role focused on valid scientific input and ensuring the accuracy of the output during the development. Detecting exoplanets is not an easy task. Our scientists manually analyze the dips in the brightness that it transits, increasing day by day in the exoplanets that can be shown. That's why we built an Exoscan AI, an AI powered tool that detects the exoplanets condition.
Hello everyone, I am Muskan. My key contribution for ExoScan AI was research and documentation. I focused on breaking down complex technical concepts into clear, simple language for both user experience and developer accessibility. ExoScan AI is designed to be in TQ with Flutter-based front end for smoothing infection and a Flask plus Pandas back end for live processing. I also created a well-being structured README and a testing checklist, making it easy for anyone to understand, run and extend the project. In short, my work helped to ensure that ExoScan AI is not only technically strong but also user-friendly.
So hi again, I am Dipanshu and let me show you how this project works like from my laptop. So first of all, I have to open my favorite IDE, that is Project IDX. Basically this is like a VS Code, but it runs directly in the cloud. So let's open it. Now see this file readme.md. This file give a quick introduction of this project, like what is the project idea and how to run it and which technology we used. That means we can say that this readme.md file has a short demo guide of this project. Let's talk about the second file, that is documentation.md. This file including our planning notes, like testing steps and team roles and how we will launch the app. And finally the last file is sourcecode.md. This is the main files. It has all the code of front-end, backends, API setup and graph display. So basically this is where everything comes together. So these three files show how we build the project with clean thinking and solid teamwork. So before I submit the final version, let me show you a quick demo. So first of all, I have to upload a sample light CSV file here. And here the result is no exoplanet are detected. That means backend read the data and AI model work properly. Then our front end show the result. Now we get no error and smooth execution. And at the end of this presentation, thanks a lot for being here. And honestly, we are proud to represent India. And we loved building this ExoScan AI and I hope it will be inspiration for more innovators. Thank you.